In the world of social media, the idea of growing a successful Instagram account typically involves showing your face, sharing personal experiences, and constantly engaging with followers. But what if I told you that it's possible to build a faceless Instagram account and earn $3,000 per month just by using AI tools? That's exactly what I did. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I achieved this and how you can do it too, without ever showing your face or dedicating hours of your time. Whether you're just starting or looking for new strategies to scale your social media efforts, this step-by-step guide will help you make money online with little personal effort. Let's dive into the process. Choosing the right niche for a faceless Instagram account. The first step in growing any Instagram account is choosing the right niche. But when you're creating a faceless account, the niche needs to work with your content creation and be scalable. I decided to go with motivational quotes and personal development. These topics are in high demand, and people engage with content like this daily, seeking inspiration and guidance. The reason this works is because motivational content doesn't require you to show your face. It's all about the message. You can pair short quotes or personal affirmations with eye-catching visuals, and that's where AI comes in. With the right niche, you're setting the stage for monetization and growth. This specific niche also attracts a broad audience, which makes it easier to grow quickly. The key to success: using AI for content creation. Now, this is where the magic happens. With AI tools, I was able to generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would have taken manually. I used tools like ChatGPT to generate motivational quotes and captions. This saved me hours of brainstorming and writing.
I used platforms like DALL-E
to create visually stunning images and backgrounds. Whether it was a serene nature scene or a modern abstract design, AI could produce the perfect image to complement the quote. This allowed me to keep my Instagram content fresh, creative, and consistent, all without ever having to leave my desk or spend hours on design. Automating the posting process. Once I had content ready, the next step was to make sure it was posted consistently. The power of automation cannot be overstated. To keep up with the demand of posting on Instagram, I turned to AI scheduling tools like Later and Buffer. These platforms allowed me to plan and schedule posts in advance. Instead of manually posting every day, I could batch create content in one sitting, then schedule it to post at optimal times throughout the week. This meant I could be active on Instagram without actually having to be there all the time. Consistency is key to growing any Instagram account. With AI scheduling, I was able to stay consistent and reach my audience at peak times, ensuring my posts gained maximum visibility and engagement. Growing a targeted audience with AI. Growing an audience on Instagram isn't just about creating content. It's about getting your content in front of the right people. And that's where AI really comes into play. I used a combination of AI tools to automate audience engagement and ensure my account grew at a steady pace. AI-powered platforms like Hashtagify allowed me to discover high-performing hashtags related to personal development and motivational content. Using the right hashtags helped my posts appear in front of a larger, targeted audience. AI also helped me understand my audience demographics, engagement patterns, and the types of posts they preferred. This helped me fine-tune my content strategy and ensure I was delivering exactly what my followers wanted. With the right AI-driven strategies, I was able to grow my Instagram account quickly, focusing on organic growth instead of wasting money on ads or promotions. Automating engagement with followers. One of the keys to creating a successful Instagram account is engaging with your followers. But let's be real, you don't have time to reply to every comment or message manually. That's where AI chatbots and automated responses came in. These tools helped me manage follower interactions without requiring me to be glued to my phone 24/7. I set up a chatbot to answer basic questions, direct people to other posts, or provide information about my digital products or affiliate links. This ensured that every comment and message received a timely response, keeping engagement high. I also used automation tools to leave personalized comments on relevant posts within my niche. This helped me stay active within the Instagram community without actually spending all my time engaging manually. By automating engagement, I was able to build a loyal community while freeing up my time to focus on scaling the account and monetizing it. Monetizing the faceless account. Now let's talk about the best part, monetization. Once I built a solid audience and established credibility in the motivational space, I started looking for ways to monetize my faceless Instagram account. I partnered with companies offering products that aligned with my niche: motivational books, journals, wellness items, and online courses. I shared affiliate links in my bio and stories. When followers clicked and made purchases, I earned commissions. Once my account reached around 10,000 followers, brands started reaching out to me for sponsored posts. They paid me to feature their products on my page, which provided an additional revenue stream. With AI tools, I created simple digital products such as ebooks, planners, and worksheets. These products were easy to make and could be sold directly to my followers through Instagram's shop feature or links in my bio. By diversifying my income streams, I quickly reached $3,000 per month in revenue, using analytics to optimize content. To make sure my account kept growing and my strategies kept working, I leveraged AI-powered analytics tools. These tools helped me track my performance, understand what was working, and make adjustments to my content strategy. I regularly checked Instagram's native analytics tool to see which posts were performing the best in terms of reach, engagement, and impressions. I also used tools like Iconosquare and Social Blade to dive deeper into follower demographics and performance data. These insights helped me understand when my audience was most active, what type of content they preferred, and how to create more engaging posts. By making data-driven decisions, I was able to optimize my content for better results and ensure continuous growth. Scaling the account with cross-promotion. While Instagram was my primary platform, I didn't stop there. To reach an even bigger audience, I used cross-promotion to grow my Faceless Instagram account. I took the same motivational quotes and content and repurposed it for platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube Shorts. This exposed my content to a wider audience while still maintaining consistency across all platforms. I reached out to other influencers in the personal development space and collaborated on shoutouts or content swaps. This helped me tap into their audience, which boosted my followers and engagement. Cross-promotion allowed me to scale my Instagram account more quickly without having to create new content for every platform. The power of consistency and patience. At the end of the day, building a successful Faceless Instagram account takes patience and consistency. Using AI tools certainly helped me speed up the process, but the key to success was staying consistent with my content, engagement, and monetization strategies. I made sure to post regularly without overwhelming myself. Even though I was using AI tools for scheduling and content creation, I still followed a disciplined posting schedule. Results didn't come overnight. It took time to build a loyal following and see meaningful monetization. But by sticking with it, I eventually saw the rewards. Building a Faceless Instagram account that generates income is possible. It takes time, effort, and the right use of AI tools. But if you follow these steps, you too can create a profitable, automated Instagram business. So there you have it, how I grew a Faceless Instagram account using only AI tools and turned it into a $3,000/month passive income. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more about how AI can help you automate and scale your social media efforts, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on more tips and strategies for making money online and building a sustainable digital business. It's your turn to start your own journey. Let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of, and let's talk about how AI can help you achieve your goals. See you in the next video.